Praise a woman in these 8 ways, and she will instantly feel attracted to you. Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're someone who truly wants to connect with women in a meaningful way. Perhaps you want to enhance attraction, strengthen a relationship, or just understand how to make a woman feel truly cherished and valued. And let me tell you, when a woman feels recognized, appreciated, and adored in the right way, she naturally opens up, trusts you more, and indeed feels a much deeper level of attraction for you. But here's the catch: many men believe compliments are simply about saying, "You're beautiful," or "You look gorgeous today." Women, like every person, want to be appreciated for more than just their appearance. So today, we are going beyond what is obvious. I'll share 8 scientifically proven ways to praise a woman that will make her feel a deep emotional and physical connection with you. And trust me, if a woman feels this kind of admiration, her interest in you will grow immediately. So let us get started. 1. Praise her intelligence. Let's begin with something that many men disregard: her intelligence. Research indicates that women find intellectual appreciation tremendously attractive. Why? Because it honors their depth, their perceptions, and the way they see the world. Many men will say things like, "You're beautiful," or "You have a nice body," but few will genuinely acknowledge a woman's thoughts. And when you do, it sets you apart. Consider saying something like this: "I love how your mind works. You always bring such a unique viewpoint to every detail. Talking to you is very soothing. You make me think in ways I never have before." Praise like this makes her feel sincerely valued. And if a woman feels mentally attached to you, it creates the foundation for deeper emotional and even physical attraction. Because remember, attraction originates in the mind first. 2. Admire her passion. People light up when they discuss what they love. It's human nature. Therefore, if you want to make a woman feel genuinely unique, praise the things that ignite her passion. Perhaps she is into decorative arts, physical activity, or even running an organization. No matter what it is, appreciate it. Consider saying something like this: "I love how passionate you are about your work. It's extremely motivating. The way you discuss your aspirations is great. You have this fire in you that's captivating." When you acknowledge what she loves, she'll associate that passion and positive energy with you. And that, my friend, is a tremendous turn-on. 3. Compliment her energy and vibe. Attraction is not only about appearance, it's about energy. A woman's energy, her vibe, and the way she conducts herself, these are traits that attract other people toward her. Rather than just saying, "You're beautiful," consider saying, "I love your energy. It's so inspiring and contagious. There's something about how you carry yourself. It's just fascinating." Such kind of compliment makes her feel unique in a way that many men never express. And if a woman feels like her presence brightens up your world, she'll automatically become attracted to you. 4. Recognize her strength. Here's something many men miss: women appreciate being recognized for their strength, whether it's their capability to handle challenging situations, their work ethic, or their emotional strength. Recognizing her strengths makes her feel truly valued. Consider saying something like, "I admire how strong you are. You handle situations so elegantly," and it's motivating. Not every person could do what you do. Your strength is one of the traits I value most about you. If you admire a woman for her strength, you're not only flirting, you're showing genuine gratitude, and that's wonderful. 5. Let's talk about appearances, but in a way that genuinely matters. Many men stick to conventional compliments like, "You're beautiful," or "You're attractive," but sincere attraction comes from acknowledging small things. Rather than just saying "She's hot," delve deeper, notice the details, and be specific. Consider this: "I love how your eyes light up whenever you laugh. It is stunning. The way you handle yourself is truly wonderful. I can't take my eyes off you." Women love to feel attractive, but what makes a compliment genuinely effective is when it sounds personal and sincere. 6. Appreciate her sense of humor. Women love those who can make them laugh, but guess what? Women also love being the humorous one. Therefore, whenever she makes you laugh, say something like, "You always know the way to crack me up. Your humor is definitely the best. I love how humorous you are. You make every aspect more fun." Whenever a woman feels like she brings happiness into your life, she'll naturally want to be around you more often, and that's how attraction develops easily. 7. Acknowledge her efforts. Women put effort into many things, whether it's their work, their looks, or having time for you. And unfortunately, most of that effort goes unrecognized. Therefore, when you recognize it, it means everything. Consider saying, "I love how much effort you put into things. It truly shines. I see how hard you work, and I only want you to understand that it doesn't go unrecognized." Whenever a woman feels respected, she feels valued, and when she feels valued, she automatically feels closer to you. 8. Tell her the way she makes you feel. And eventually, one of the most powerful compliments you can give a woman is about how she changes you. Why? Because attraction is not just about the way she looks, it's about the way she makes you feel. Consider this: "I enjoy being around you. You make me feel great. There's something about you that just makes everything feel fine." If a woman hears this, she feels special, and when she feels special around you, attraction happens easily.